Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Nintendo Switch Online for free. This is a free membership for Nintendo Switch Online for 12 months, and it's going to save you a bit of money. I know it's not super expensive anymore, but yeah, this is going to get you a eShop code that you can simply redeem, and it's going to provide you with a free subscription for Nintendo Switch Online. And that is, that is going to save you a little bit of money. So let's get into the tutorial. You can see you need to use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone, but if you're on Android, it's exactly the same process. You just got to follow all of the instructions that I'm going to show you. And yeah, this is going to get you a completely free Nintendo Switch Online membership. So go to this website on your mobile phone, robotcoupons.com. So head on over to this website here, guys. You can pause the video and copy this address if you need to. And when you reach this page, you need to go to the search bar at the top here and just search for the Nintendo. You're looking for the Nintendo gift card page. So basically, if you go and search this, you should find it, or you can just scroll down the home page and look for it. Now, there is a few different options here. Look at this one at the bottom, guys. Free 12-month Nintendo Switch Online membership. So this is the one that this video is obviously focusing on. And these codes are limited, guys. So when you click on it, you can see your code is protected and you need to unlock the full code. Now, this is completely free, and it does take about 5 minutes, which I know is annoying, but it is worth it. Obviously, you are saving a little bit of money. So just wait for this to load up. So when you unlock your code, this will happen, and then you're going to see this new screen here, and it says code unlocker, which is obviously pretty self-explanatory. You need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below to unlock your code. Follow the instructions for each, and this verifies you're not a robot. So you've got a list of tasks, and they're all completely free. So all you need to do is select 2 tasks on this page and fully follow the instructions and complete 2 of them. So for example, this one is a mobile application where it says download, install the app and create a free account. So if you chose one like this, you'll have to download this app and just follow these steps. Alternatively, there may be surveys like this one says answer the questions and fill in any information. So if you do a survey, very important you do input your correct email address because it does verify you're a real person. So just complete 2 tasks, and once you've done that, it will redirect you back to this page, and whatever code you chose will be revealed. Obviously, I just skipped forward, but yeah, in this case, your 12-month free Nintendo Switch Online code will be revealed. You can enter it in the eShop, and that is how to get it for free. So just go to Robot Coupons, search for this Nintendo gift card page and select your code, and enjoy, guys. So any questions, leave them down in the comments. Smash the like button if you got your free Switch Online membership, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.